Method 1. Forgot password security questions. Forgot your DVR password, and now you can't log in? Don't worry. The easiest method is the Forgot Password option. Just go to the login screen and click on Forgot Password. If you previously set security questions, simply enter the correct answers. And that's it. You can now set a new password. Keep in mind, this method only works if security questions were set before. Method 2. Email reset. Forgot your DVR password? Don't worry. There's an easy way to reset it using your email. If you're using a newer model, you can reset your password through the Night Owl Protect app. Open the app, go to the login screen, and tap on Forgot Password. You'll receive a password reset link on your registered email address. Click the link, enter a new password, and confirm it. And you're done. Your password has been successfully reset. Just make sure your email is already linked to your device. Otherwise, this method won't work. Method 3. Super password. Locked out of your DVR and nothing seems to work? Here's a powerful method, the super password, also known as the temporary master code. First, carefully note the exact date shown on your DVR screen. Next, open a CCTV super password generator online. Enter the same date and generate your temporary master password. Use this code to log into your DVR. Then go to Settings and change it to a new permanent password. Important: different DVR models use different generators, so make sure you choose the correct one. Method 4. QR code reset file. Tried everything, but still can't reset your DVR password? Here's the most reliable method, using the official support reset process. First, locate the QR code or device ID on your DVR screen. Then contact official support and provide this information. You'll receive a reset file or a special code from the support team. Copy the reset file onto a USB drive. Insert the USB into your DVR and follow the reset process. And that's it. Your DVR password is successfully reset. This is the most reliable method, especially for newer Night Owl systems. Method 5. Factory reset. Unplug hard disk first for data safety. Now find a reset button on motherboard of your Night Owl DVR. Press reset button for almost 10 seconds to reset DVR password. Finally, your Night Owl DVR password, reset it to default. Method 6. Motherboard reset. Still locked out of your DVR? There's one last method, but it's a bit risky. First, power off your DVR and carefully open the device. Inside, locate the small battery or the reset jumper on the motherboard. Carefully remove the battery or change the jumper position. Then put everything back and close the DVR properly. Power it on. Your DVR should now be reset to default settings. Warning: this method is risky. If you're not experienced, it's better to avoid it or seek professional help. Method 7. Firmware update reset trick. Can updating your DVR firmware actually reset the password? Let's find out. In some cases, updating the firmware can reset your DVR settings. First, download the correct firmware from the official website. Copy the firmware file onto a USB drive. Insert the USB into your DVR. Start the firmware update process and let it complete. After reboot, your DVR may be reset to default settings. Important: this method does not work on all models, so results may vary.